NASDAQ this week has risen in value, but then it has returned back down. Almost in decision candle, we will see that. Here the week started with a small bearish candle, then small bullish candle, small bearish candle, larger, slightly larger bullish candle, making a bullish breakout, then returning back down with the bearish candle, a strong one that has closed below all of these candles, which means a strong bearish momentum has entered into the market, where we could expect the price moving further down. But let's see, the weekly time frame has closed as a bearish candle. The previous week has closed as a bearish candle, also making a bullish pin bar right here, the resistance. And when that happens, bullish pin bar at the bearish resistance, it's not so strong signal. So for now, we can see the price is continuing to lose its value and also suggesting further decline in value. 23210.45 is the next support. Monthly time frame has closed and we can see it is still bullish candle, but the wicks on the upper side and the lower side are a large one compared to the candle body. It is a small bullish candle body, which is showing that the bulls are stronger, at least this month. So we'll see how the price behaves next month also. For now, as it looks, there is still bullish momentum active here. There is no so strong bearish momentum, but for now we need to switch to the lower time frames to show us how the price will behave. For now, for the next week, I'm expecting that the price will drop down to this area of support, 23210.45, and from here we will see how the price behaves. On the daily time frame, it is also showing me the same scenario, that the price could drop to this area of support, and then we will see how the price behaves. Will the price manage to go further down, making a bearish breakout, touching again this area of support, 22934.65, like in this example here, and then returning back up? This is something that we need to wait and follow the market, especially during the day and also during the week. Each day I check this one and also share the details with the traders inside the premium analysis. The link for the premium analysis will be below in the description, so feel free to check and join other traders to receive these updates. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.